So I want to close up this morning by just sharing with you 4 implications of a sending culture. And here's implication number 1. It's that God is a sending God. And that's been the main point of this entire message, is that God sends. God sent Jesus. God sent the Holy Spirit. And now God, he also sends you and I. But here's implication number 2. It's that everything sent is sent with a purpose. Don't forget the butter. God, he sends us with a purpose, and we see that in what's known as the Great Commission. Jesus, he says, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and the Son and of the Holy Spirit, teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. And surely, I'll be with you always to the very end of the age. But here's the third implication. It's that just as Jesus was sent, we too are sent. What did Jesus do? Well, Jesus, he submitted to the Father, and through that submission, he was sent out into the world for his ministry. We too are called to submit to the Father, and we are sent as well. Here's the fourth implication. It's that sent people send people. When you're sent, when you are poured into, when someone invests in your life, hopefully that puts a fire in your heart. Hopefully that encourages you to want to go out into the world and do the same.